In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add labels in Microsoft Planner. To begin, make sure you are signed in to Microsoft Planner in your web browser and you are looking at the correct plan. In this example, we will start from a plan area called Project Management. The important part is that you are inside the plan where you want to create and use labels, because labels are saved within each plan. Once you are in your plan, switch your view to Grid. You can do this by selecting Grid near the top of the plan views. The Grid view is helpful because it lays out tasks in a spreadsheet-like format, and it makes it easier to quickly see and manage details like labels across multiple tasks. After you are in Grid view, look for the option that says Add Label. Click Add Label to open the label options. In Planner, labels are color-based, and you can use them to categorize work, flag priorities, or group tasks by type. For example, you might use one label for approvals, another for urgent items, or another for work assigned to a specific team. Click Add Label again to begin creating the label entry. This is where you choose which label color you want to add. Labels in Planner are tied to specific colors, so selecting a color is part of setting it up. In this walkthrough, select the purple label. Choosing a consistent color for a consistent purpose helps your plan stay readable. Try to keep the meaning of each color stable over time, so anyone on the plan can understand it at a glance. Once you have selected purple, your label is now available to use within this plan. You can apply it to tasks as needed, and it will show up wherever labels are displayed in your current view. If you later decide to adjust your labeling approach, you can return to the same Add Label area to manage the available label colors. When you are finished, you can click My Plans to return to your main planner page and navigate to another plan. This is a good way to confirm that your changes are tied to the plan you are working in and to continue organizing other projects the same way. And that is all there is to it.